Ever tried capturing the tiniest details with your Galaxy S25 Ultra, only to end up with blurry or flat shots? What if I told you there's a way to unlock stunning, razor-sharp macro photography that makes even the smallest subjects look larger than life? Today we're diving into the top 5 macro lenses that will transform your phone into a pro-level close-up camera. Whether you're into nature photography, product shots, or extreme details, I've got you covered. Stick around. Links to grab these lenses are in the description. On number 5 is Evil Eye Macro Phone Lens. Unlock a world of stunning details. Ever wished your Galaxy S25 Ultra could capture breathtaking close-ups with insane detail? The Evil Eye Macro Phone Lens is here to make that happen. With professional-grade optics and a multi-layer glass coating, this lens delivers ultra-sharp, high-definition macro shots without distortion or vignetting. Imagine photographing intricate textures on jewelry, the delicate wings of an insect, or the tiny veins of a leaf. This lens makes it all look mesmerizing. What really sets it apart? The f1.8 aperture creates dreamy background bokeh, making your subject pop like a pro-level DSLR shot. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just clip it on and get shooting. One thing to note, make sure to disable your phone's built-in macro mode for the best results. So, he says at lunchtime. So, if you're serious about macro photography with your Galaxy S25 Ultra, this lens is a must-have. At number 4 is Apexel Professional Macro Photography Lens. Bring tiny details to life. Ever looked at a flower petal or an insect wing and wished you could capture every microscopic detail? The Apexel Professional Macro Lens for the Galaxy S25 Ultra lets you do just that. With 5 high-quality glass elements and a multi-layer coating, this lens delivers stunning, distortion-free macro shots. Say goodbye to blurry close-ups. Every tiny texture and color pop with unbelievable clarity. What's special? A large aperture for dreamy bokeh. It beautifully isolates your subject, creating that professional, soft background blur. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just clip it on, no app needed. Whether you're into macro photography of jewelry, insects, or nature, this lens is a game changer. One thing to note, it's not for zooming in on distant subjects, but for extreme close-up photography, the Apexel lens is a must. On number 3 is Ailun Phone Lens, your gateway to stunning close-ups. Have you ever wanted to zoom in on the tiniest details and capture them in incredible clarity? The Ailun Phone Lens is here to elevate your macro photography game, especially when paired with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This HD lens is crafted with lanthanide optical glass to give you sharp, vibrant shots without distortion or glare. Whether you're snapping up close shots of nature or jewelry, the macro lens will reveal the details you never knew existed. What sets it apart? The easy-to-use clip-on design makes it simple to switch lenses, so you can go from macro to fisheye or wide-angle shots in seconds. It fits most smartphones, including iPhones, Samsung, and tablets. But remember, it works best for close-up photography, not distant objects. For photography lovers using the S25 Ultra, this is definitely one lens you won't want to miss. At number 2 is Creac Phone Camera Lens, a game changer for macro photography. What if I told you that your Galaxy S25 Ultra could become a powerhouse for close-up photography without needing a DSLR? The Creac Phone Camera Lens does just that. This 12.5x macro lens lets you capture incredible details from just 1.18 to 1.57 inches away. Whether it's the delicate textures of a flower petal or the intricate details of jewelry, this lens brings out every nuance, offering HD clarity without distortion or glare. The lens is compatible with almost any smartphone thanks to its universal clip design. Plus, the ultra-wide-angle lens expands your shot, so group photos or landscapes are a breeze. It's compact, easy to use, and delivers stunning results. If you're into macro shots, this is one lens that will truly unlock your creativity, especially when paired with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now moving to the last one is Boror's Macro Lens, a macro photography revolution for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Are you ready to unlock the true power of your Galaxy S25 Ultra with some jaw-dropping close-ups? The Boror's macro lens is here to make your photos come to life. With its 10x magnification, it delivers incredibly detailed shots with cinema-quality optical glass. Say goodbye to distortion and blurry edges and welcome stunning macro shots with sharp, clear focus. What makes this lens a standout in the top 5 macro lenses for close-up shots is its longer shooting distance. You can now photograph tiny subjects like insects without scaring them off. Plus, it's compatible with all major smartphones and fits almost any phone case. If your phone already has a macro mode, this lens takes it to the next level, offering superior image quality. And so, if you're ready to get serious about macro photography, the Boror's macro lens is an essential tool for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 macro lenses for close-up shots with Galaxy S25 Ultra. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.